So hello friends. Today we will explore a AI-powered video editing tool who is named HitPaw Edimakor. So friends, all-in-one AI video editor including video recording, translation, conversion, creates videos with auto-subtitles in 5 minutes. AI talking avatar, AI script video generator, AI speech to text, AI video translator, AI text to speech, AI background remover, AI vocal remover. With this, millions of chimerical stock assets, thousands of striking visual effects, 100+ video editing tools and features. This AI video editor provides effective video editing features for editing videos quickly and smoothly. So friends, let's explore it. You will find its link in the description, and here you have to simply download it by clicking on the download button by selecting your OS. After this, you have to install it. Then you will see an interface like this. So if you want to quickly generate any video subtitles or subtitles translation, simply use this tool. So guys, all you have to do simply import your video. And then select the clip from timeline. Select translated language, where you can see 27 languages available for translation. For example, I select English, and then simply select subtitle style. After that, simply click on Auto-subtitling. After a few seconds, you can see our video translated subtitles are ready.
And I won't feel disappointed if they decide not to go to college.
With this, you can edit any subtitle color, font style from here. So friends, this is how you can translation any video with different languages. Is that simple? With this, if you want to remove background of your video footage, then simply right-click on clip and you will find Remove Background tool. So simply click on it. Now you can see our background is removed. With this, you can add custom background according to your need, like you can see here to many background and colors available to choose. So this way, you can remove or add background of your video footage in just one click. AI Talking Avatar. Create realistic AI talking avatar or custom your own avatar with advanced video lip sync technique to accelerate video production for marketing, education, customer service, and social content creation. Let's try creating our own talking avatar, for example. All you have to do simply input here like, "Hey, I'm a passionate gamer always seeking new challenges, from immersive RPGs to intense FPS games." After that, simply select your talking avatar. Or you can select your own image, like I am selecting here. And after selecting your own avatar, simply click on Generate. After a few seconds, you can see here, our talking avatar is ready.
Hey, I'm a passionate gamer always seeking new challenges, from immersive RPGs to intense FPS games.
So friends, this is how you can create AI talking avatar and text-to-speech. Make your content easy. AI script, video generator. Save time by quickly generating compelling scripts and auto-pick video assets through AI to speed up video creation. So here, I will take the help of ChatGPT to write my script. And we have to simply paste this script here, and then simply click on Next. Then here, you will see an interface like this. You have to simply click on Auto-pick, or you can upload your own images like my script about how to make sandwich breakfast, and here you can select your voiceover. You can choose the perfect voiceovers for your content, subtitles and background music. And after this, you have to check the preview. With this here, you will get advanced edit tool. By doing this, you can edit or any changes you want to do for your scripted video.
In a quick-paced breakfast sandwich creation video, the chef demonstrates how to make a delicious meal in under 5 minutes. This fast and easy meal is perfect for those who love to enjoy delicious food without spending too much time in the kitchen.
So friends, save time by quickly generating compelling scripts and auto-pick video assets through AI to speed up video creation. Ideal for content creators, marketers, and businesses, it streamlines the process, allowing you to focus on creativity. And here, by clicking Toolbox, you will get to see all the features in one place. So friends, HitPaw Edimakor features. Edimakor AI Video Editor provides effective video editing features for editing videos quickly and smoothly.